The DE Pupil Dashboard is designed for pupils to revisit learning and complete quizzes. Let's take a look at how you can give pupils access and see what your pupils will see when logging in. To access the Developing Experts platform, pupils will need to navigate to our homepage and choose to sign in as a pupil. First, they can type in their school's name and select it from the drop-down menu, and then input their unique login code. Pupils click on Lessons to see the lessons assigned to them by their teacher. For each lesson, pupils can view the lesson presentation, complete quizzes based on the learning in the presentation, locate the 5 keywords in a word search, and download the PDF version of the handout. This gives teachers the opportunity to use the platform to set home learning tasks should they wish. Pupils can view their progress for the lesson's tasks. Career and employer links are also available to pupils should they wish to explore and discover more about a career within this field. This gives them access to any of the career films or workplace tours on offer too. If you're looking for that extra splash of inspiration for pupils, our AI Career Builder gives pupils a chance to explore their future jobs, completing a few questions. This gives them an insight into their future world of work to help them aspire to the next level. If you have a subscription for this service, pupils will find it here too. Through the My DE section, pupils can also personalize their zone. If you want to log in as a pupil to test these features, you can simply click on the View Pupil Dashboard drop-down menu on your teacher dashboard. You can then browse as a specific pupil. You can then return to your teacher dashboard by selecting Dashboard in the top left of the page. We hope you now have a better understanding of using the Pupil Dashboard and can show the pupils in your class. Now you can select the next video in the playlist or take a closer look at our AI Career Builder.